What's up guys, it's Meaty Mike, my name's Mike and I love meat. Get your smokers fired up because today we're cooking some stuffed Cornish game hens. Let's do it. Alright, woo! Fired up! Because we got some Cornish game hens right here. Look at them, they got wings, everything. They're cute. So to prepare these hens, I put them in the fridge overnight in a simple brine, water, salt, brown sugar. Took them out today, rinsed them off, patted them dry, and now we can dive right in. I got a little bit of olive oil. Just gonna pour a little bit on each hen. And boop. This will just help the skin stay moist and crispy in the smoker. Our rubs will stick to it. Good stuff. So now I just have a simple mixture of a homemade rub to give it a little bit of good color. You can get the recipe for this in the description. Rub it in, rub it in, rub it in. What's that from? Rub it, plug it in, plug it in. Awesome, again, just to give it a little bit of good color. And then I'm going with some Plowboy's Bovine Bold Rub. This is a very tasty rub. It really does have a bold pop. It's gonna go great on these hens. Get a good douse of it. Rub it all in. Nice, nice. And now for our stuffing, I have some dirty brown rice. I already cooked this. To prepare it, just follow the instructions on the box as normal and stuff away. Spoonful for you, a spoonful for you, a spoonful for you, and of course, a messy spoonful for you. We don't need them spoons no how. And dirty brown rice is a good spice to it, and this Bovine Bold Rub from Plowboys, it's got a good bold spicy kick to it too. Perfect. And now we're just gonna get some twine. And we're gonna twine our legs together on our hens. So cross them legs over because we want to make sure the stuffing doesn't fall out. All right, and that's all there is to it. I'm adding a little bit more of our rub, our Bovine Bold. And these hens are ready for the smoker. Let's go pop them in the po-man. All right, so I got my po-man grill rolling at 275 degrees, rolling smoke with some hickory wood chunks on that charcoal. If these hens weren't stuffed, I probably would have put them through the skewers and hung them on the skewers that came with this po-man grill. But since they're stuffed, and to make sure that nothing falls out, I'm putting them breast side up on the grill grate. They will cook just fine. These hens are small. They're not gonna take long, between an hour and 2 hours. I got my Inkbird monitoring the internal temp to get it to 165. That's when we'll pull it. From here, we just sit back, let the po-man go to work, and when we hit 165, we'll pull them and eat. And after an hour and 45 minutes, our Cornish game hens are done. 165 internal temp, man, the color looks beautiful. Check them every half hour. Brush them with butter if you want to. Mop them up, but the skin stayed nice and crispy. I didn't hang them. I put them right in the rack. They turned out great. I'm excited to cut one of these right in half and see what we got. Your stuffed Cornish game hens. I'm just gonna rip this breast off nice and juicy, get it with some of that rice. Bum, 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 ba-dum. Good crispy skin. That rice, that dirty rice is delicious with that Bovine Bold Rub. These hens are perfect, man. They're tender, they're juicy, they got some good meat on these little wings. Man, that's good. Good flavor from that smoke on that po-man grill. Man, I'm gonna keep picking these hens apart. I got 3 more left, so I got some work to do. Stuff your Cornish hens with some dirty rice. Go throw it on your smoker. Man, you're gonna get some crispy skin, nice and tender and juicy. You're gonna love it. Stay tuned for the next video.